Presenting the 2007 Ford Ranger. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive, driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: an AM/FM stereo, power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, independent suspension. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.